Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App without a card. So let's get into the video. So if you don't have a Cash App card but you wish to use Cash App, so what you can do is just open up your Cash App. So when you open up your Cash App and log into your account, so just log into your Cash App account. So once you're done, so if you want to pay with Cash App, then what you can do, just go to this screen here, and then here just type in the amount that you wish to pay. So for example 50, and then you can select the currency here, which currency, how you want to pay. So it's US dollars, so I'll just leave it as it is. And then what you can do, simply type in the amount and hit on pay. And then now what you have to do is simply type in the name or the phone or email address or the cash tag of the person that you want to the money to. Like you need their Cash App details, so you need to get their Cash App details. So only if they have their Cash App details you'll be able to do this. So just get them their Cash App name or phone or email address associated with their account. Once that's done, just type that in, and then you can add a note if you want, and you can just send as cash. You can just select that, and then once you're done with that, then all you have to do is simply hit on the pay option here on your top right, and that's it. You'll be able to pay with Cash App without a card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.